Welcome to the tutorial on SSCR Error Code 22. Per the NSLDS, Error Code 22 is caused by NSLDS not accepting an enrollment status of Z, student not found, due to a record already existing in their system for the student at the school. There are two main reasons why this error occurs. First, an invalid SSN requested by NSLDS. Second, a valid SSN where the clearinghouse has no record for the student. The first scenario for SSCR Error Code 22 is for students who are requested by NSLDS under an invalid SSN. These invalid SSNs typically begin with a 000 or a 9 and were assigned to the student. Students in this situation may already be in the clearinghouse system under their valid SSN. However, because NSLDS is requesting this student under an invalid SSN, we cannot send the enrollment to them. SSCR Error Code 22s for students with an invalid SSN require working with NSLDS directly to resolve. The second scenario for SSCR Error Code 22 is for students who have valid SSNs. Errors for students in this situation are caused by NSLDS requesting a student on the roster that the clearinghouse has no record for at your school under the requested SSN. To resolve SSCR Error Code 22, add the student to the clearinghouse database with the date they separated from your school. If the student never attended your school, update the record to a never attended status twice on the NSLDS website, with each update at least 25 hours apart. Now we will go over how to add a record to the clearinghouse system. To resolve the Error Code 22 for students with valid SSNs that attended your school, first log into the Clearinghouse secure site. Once logged in, go under Student Lookup, query the student by their SSN and click Search. No enrollment will appear, but the option to add a student will appear on the bottom of the page. This will bring you to a blank student record. Fill in the student information on the record. If the student is currently enrolled, include the current enrollment information. If the student is not currently enrolled, include the student's separation status, last date of attendance, and the term dates for the last term attended. Click on the Submit button to send the record to the clearinghouse for processing. For additional assistance correcting SSCR Error Code 22, please reach out to us at sscrerrors@studentclearinghouse.org.